Do you have kidney infection? Do you suffer from urinary tract infection or bladder infection? Or do you suffer from kidney stones? But first, what is kidney infection? This is a disease that occurs in our urinary tract infection. It makes the area itching, it makes the area so unpleasant, it brings out odor leading to yeast cells infection, gets to your bladder, block your bladder from you passing out waste frequently, causes inflammation, gradually leads to kidney infection, where minerals such as potassium excess salt are deposited and the waste are unable to pass out due to the shortage of other minerals that helps push this out of your immune system. And if that is not treated, it gets to kidney stones. For those who don't know how kidney stones looks like, this is kidney stones deposition, the deposition in your kidney, a deposition of excess salt and other minerals such as potassium, calcium. This is very, very unpleasant to your health. And to treat this or prevent this from happening, I have two amazing ingredients for you that will help you prevent kidney infection, treat urinary tract infection, yeast infection, and definitely treat kidney stones infection. But first, you need to be patient, consistent in taking this treatment. If you haven't gotten these diseases yet in your body, this treatment will be good for you to prevent it from happening, and you can take it once a month. But if you already have it, taking it 3 times a week is going to help you that much to eliminate it. But first, you need to know your health situation. You get to the hospital, check yourself. If you have it, okay, good and fine. But for those who don't know the symptoms of kidney infection, it comes with back pain, waist pain, vomiting, nausea, shivering, fever, and most of the times loss of appetite and even stress. So if you have the symptoms on your body, please go to the hospital, check yourself. If you have kidney infection, antibiotics will be given to you, and you can also use this treatment on a daily basis to combat this disease. So let's get into the video. But before we get there, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for coming, thank you for stopping by. Do click the notification bell, do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, and do drop your comment. Let me know what you think. From my old subscribers, gang love, thank you guys so much. So let's get into the video, guys. For us to have that amazing juice or tea in the morning that will help us treat urinary tract infection, it's going to help treat bladder infection, it's going to help treat kidney stones and kidney infection. What you need is garlic. I have my 2, 4, 6, 8 cloves of garlic and 1 apple. This garlic has anti-inflammatory properties, antifungal and antibacterial properties. It is going to help eliminate bacteria. It is going to help flush out bacteria from your kidney right down to your bladder, right down to your urinary tract, thereby giving your body, keeping it free from bacterial infection that is going to give you an unpleasant health situation. Apple is full of a little bit of all the minerals that will help you clear off bacteria from your immune system. It's going to help you detoxify and purify your immune system from unpleasant bacteria that causes unpleasant health situation. So what I need to do is I'm just going to cut my apple. I already washed it and I cut, so I'm just going to put it in water. The water is going to help you come out with that amazing juice. So I already have my water on the fire. I'm going to let it boil. While it is boiling, I'm going to use this grater to grate my garlic, and I put it inside and let it boil for 15 minutes. Take it off, put it inside my filter. Use this I don't know if it is a spoon or peel to peel it and take off the juice from it. So guys, this is my apple. It's already boiled and already have my garlic grind ready. So I'm just going to put my garlic inside. As I always tell you, why I boil my ingredients is because I want to prevent microorganisms from getting into my system. You know, we're in a pandemic period that you don't know where you can get the virus, and also to prevent some germs from getting into your immune system. So even after washing your ingredients, you boil it this way. It's just so good. So you can see it's a little bit foamy. And I'm just going to take it off now and put it inside my filter. And I'll gradually smash it this way. So guys, this is what I have after I must have make it. This is what I have. It's just so good, it's just so amazing. So guys, this is what I have. This is my outcome of apple and garlic juice, and this is going to help you treat urinary tract infection. It's going to help prevent kidney infection, and if you already have one, gradually, patiently and consistently you're going to treat it using these two amazing ingredients. If you have been drinking this, please give me a comment down there, let me know how it was. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.